Today we're going to talk to you about a common issue found on the 2018 Mustang when equipped with a digital instrument cluster. A lot of the newer S550 Mustangs, including the 2018 Mustang, do not include a spare tire. Instead, they include a temporary mobility kit. The way this works, this plug here plugs into your cigarette lighter, and this powers this, and basically it's a built-in air compressor. Now what you can do is turn this knob to repair, and there's tire sealant. So if you get a flat, use this to seal the tire, and then pump it up so you get to a safe location. Now the 2018 is equipped with a digital instrument cluster. The actual service mobility kit light turns on very often with these clusters. Now the only way to actually fix the problem is take it to the dealer, in which they'll flash your computer and fix it for free. If you want to get rid of the light until then, we're going to show you how. Now the issue with the cluster, what happens is when you turn your car on, you're going to get the service mobility light is going to pop up on the dash. Now those kits I should probably mention on these cars, they're good for 4 years. Ford recommends every 4 years replacing the kit with a new one available through the Ford dealer. Now, in the case of my Mustang, that light turned on when the car was 3 months old, and it's turned on several times since then on other 2018 Mustangs that we've had. Now, the way to get rid of this is you want to go into the menu. So if you look at the control, now this is only an issue if you have the digital instrument cluster. What you're going to do is click this button down here that has the 2 gears on it. That's going to take you in your settings. You go down to Advanced Settings, click on Vehicle, and go further down the bottom, you'll see Mobility Kit. Now when you hit the Mobility Kit, it's going to give you different options. It gives you basically the years on when it should actually expire. What you want to do is just change it to something else, and then go back to 4, and then when you clear out of it, that will reset it. Now more than likely, unless you get your car flashed or whatever, it will come back eventually. That'll at least turn the light off until you can get a dealer and get it fixed properly. Now I know that seemed pretty simple, but I've actually had multiple people ask me how to do that or what the issue is with the light, because it really doesn't explain in the manual what it is or how to reset it. It just sort of explains what the mobility kit actually does. Now again, this will just allow you to turn the light off, but that way you're not dealing with it. Take it to the dealer next time you're there, and they can reset it and fix it permanently. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.